I steered out to this lane, but it threw me into a spin.
Are you injured at all?
Couldn't stop.
Bounce off the wall?
Get out.
You're stuck? Oh, watch out, watch out. Just idiots don't know how to slow down right now. Slow down. It's very slippery. Slow down. All these cars are spinning out behind. This is like insane now. If I was a motorist, I would be suing you guys. We just lost another car. What the hell? Red truck lost control. Hang tight.
December 25th, 2022, 11:15 a.m. The infamously icy roads of Ohio State Route 2 claimed another victim when a white Kia slid off the road and slammed into the median railing. A Willoughby Police Department officer was requested to the scene of the single-car crash and arrived shortly after.
16 radio. I'll be on scene with Frank Edward King, 2524.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
How about you? Are you injured at all?
I'm not.
Okay. Bounce off the wall?
What happened was I was in the outside lane, and the person in front of me, and I was back, like these cars here,
Yeah.
must have seen this truck off the road and braked,
Okay.
and I couldn't stop. I mean,
Now, yeah, it's a little
so
slick outside.
in order to keep from hitting them, I steered out to this lane, but it threw me into a spin.
Okay.
And I hit this thing here. I don't even know how bad.
Alright, you got like a minor front end damage, so you can drive off if you want to.
Get out.
You're stuck?
Yeah, I
I can push you out of my car if you want. Yeah, I can give you a waiver, yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'll get you a waiver signed, and then when I push you out, you're going to go straight in this lane for a little bit and then merge in, okay?
Yeah. Can you get them stopped? And
No, you're gonna continue in the snow lane, the fast lane.
okay.
When I push you, just get your speed going, what you need to go to, then merge over slowly, okay?
Okay, and it looks like my tire and my wheel.
Yeah, your front bumper's damaged a little bit, but I mean, you can report that to insurance later if you want to.
All right.
All right.
Well, the insurance is going to want to know if this is my fault. So
Well, we're not going to do a crash report for you. I would suggest personally that you don't want a crash report.
What do I want to do?
Just tell them that you slid off the roadway due to weather conditions, and you have a little front end damage.
Okay.
If you can report to insurance, first get home, assess it, talk to an estimator. It may not be worth going to insurance.
Okay.
14 should be all set, and go from there. Okay. All right, man. Give me 1 minute. Let me get the form out for you so I can push
All
you.
right. Thanks very much.
Of course. All I need you to do is send this waiver, ma'am. Your name up here, your vehicle information, sign at the bottom, okay?
Yeah. Can you hold on just a second? Hey, Carolyn. Carolyn, the police officer.
Hang tight. 16 radio, my car just got smashed. I need another unit.
A pickup truck swerves on the icy road and barrels directly into the side of the police cruiser. Thankfully, the officer was paying attention and able to hop the railing into the median just before the truck could reach them. If the police cruiser weren't there to intercept the vehicle, the truck likely would have ended up ramming the other driver and the officer. The ultimate reason for these incidents was later discovered. This stretch of highway is actually covered in an extremely dangerous coating of black ice, essentially turning the road into a death trap for anyone who dares to travel too fast. Now, not only is the officer without a car, but he now has another wrecked car to deal with.
No injuries with me. I'll check on the other driver. Slow down.
Yeah, no injuries as of now.
You okay? Yeah. Might as well get a tow going for my cruiser. It's gonna be heavy passenger side damage. You need a tow going? It's very slippery. I saw it coming.
Oh, I saw the car in front of me, so I got off the gas.
All right, you mind just stay in your truck for now?
Yeah.
I need insurance. I'll be back in a little bit, all right? Here comes another one. Watch out, watch out.
Another car fishtails on the ice and almost swerves off the road. Fortunately, this one was able to regain control and slow down, but the next driver to lose control wouldn't be so lucky.
There's a big toolbox on the freeway. Can't move right now. We're gonna have to stop traffic for a minute. You guys get up here. Yeah, and you can tell service that they can probably put salt down for grip alone would be great. No injuries with the other driver either.
10-4, no injuries. The engineers are getting the radioed over right now. Should be coming with salt.
Yeah, we're good. Thank you, guys. All right, man, it's gonna be a minute, okay?
Okay, yeah, are you okay?
Yeah, I saw it coming, so that's what.
Are you okay?
Yeah, just stay in your car, okay?
I will.
Slow down. I just had another car spin out behind me. It's gonna look like another DAV.
Okay.
Yeah, just idiots don't know how to slow down right now. My car just got destroyed.
I'm on your side on this?
Yeah, you can tell your boss that you guys are gonna put down at least salt for grip because this is like insane now. So I'm not mad at you personally, but your service director needs a new plan right now.
I know. And I just got told again, because Central told us about this.
Yeah.
We're not doing it.
Yeah, well,
If you want to, I highly recommend you get your mayor to call.
I will let your boss know that you guys are now being responsible for neglect. If I was a motorist, I would be suing you guys. No offense to you personally. I'm not mad at you.
I'm on your side.
Yeah. So I would tell your boss he's being very neglectful right now. What's going on? We just lost another car, so. Thanks, man.
For whatever reason, the contractors have refused to salt the road to get rid of the ice and prevent further accidents. And for this, the company actually can possibly be held liable if they are the designated maintenance company for that road and someone is seriously injured by losing control on the ice. However, the chance that they will be held liable in Ohio is, admittedly, narrow. Ohio holds that the driver is still at fault for an accident that occurs due to the presence of snow, black ice, or any other hazardous road conditions caused by weather. They contend that it's the driver's responsibility to take dangerous weather conditions into consideration when operating their vehicle and to adjust their driving appropriately. Thus, it's unlikely that the company will face consequence for their refusal.
Hey, watch out, Cole. There's another car spinning behind you.
Just as a backup officer is approaching the scene, another car spins out yet again behind the scene of the first two.
Gosh, people. 14 radio, if the FD is coming up here, let them know they need to get on at Vine. Hi, you okay?
Yeah, I'm just really shaking. I'm talking to my niece. You could go check with other people or...
Okay, yeah, somebody hit our cruiser up there, and I know this happened.
I'll be up to the front of my car, look.
Yeah.
Is it total?
I don't know if it's going to be totaled.
Can I drive it?
I doubt it. I don't think you're going to be...
Cole. There's another car spinning behind you.
Don't do
Ours is fine. He's okay up there. We've been on the radio with him for a minute
I
now.
got my niece on the phone because I just like.
All right, I'll get a tow truck going, okay? Get you out of here. 14 radio registration.
Can my niece come get me?
Yeah.
Where should they come get me?
Where do you live?
I live in East Lake. They live in.
Probably give you a ride.
You could just leave my car here.
No, the tow truck's gonna get your
I know
car
what I'm
out
saying.
of
You could just take me home right now.
here. Yeah, after the tow truck gets your car out of here.
Oh, all right.
I gotta clear the scene and all that stuff.
So I could just stay here and you'll give me a ride home?
Yeah, it's probably fine. What the hell? Oh my god. Is it that truck that hit you?
There's a toolbox over there. I want to get out of the roadway because everybody's stopping. Yeah. Might crash in. I went off in the tow truck driver. So he says that his boss is being contacted. I said, you guys are now making a liable, and you're up for a lawsuit now because this is ridiculous. I'm not gonna. So yeah, but I can't move my car now. So maybe we can push her, but I don't trust traffic behind us. I'd rather not push.
As long as she can get off onto this, then she can slowly get into traffic.
All right, ma'am. So
Get her out of here.
you want to turn your wheel to the right?
Okay.
All right, give it some gas. All right.
Is this some debris out?
Yeah, we're gonna take care of that. We're gonna try to get you out of here, okay?
I got brand new tires.
Oh, you're good. That's plastic. You're fine. So make sure you pit and drive.
Feed the gas.
Yeah, pit and drive.
I'm not going to be in the car. It's the furthest cruiser back. You have to be in front of the
Yeah, it's budge. All right, we'll have the tow get you, okay? All right. You want to help me get this toolbox out of the way?
Yeah.
Where'd you go? Oh.
You want me to?
807.
I wouldn't use your push bumper because it might go underneath it. And we're going to be down at cruiser now.
I got 4 cars off the roadway, Route 2 westbound.
What the fuck?
I'm not sure exactly where, but it's in the Willoughby area.
Well, they can wait.
Alright, we're going to be west of the Lost Station, up in east of us.
All right, hang tight. We'll stop in a second.
Going that way.
Okay. Yeah, dude. Fucking sketchy as I jumped on the wall. I MF'd the plow driver coming back. He stopped, and he's like, I'm on your guys' side, but the manager said no. I'm like, well, let him know he's being,
no to salt?
I'm like, let him know he's being liable now. Because, like, we're willingly, you guys only have dozens of accidents on the stretch right now. For the crash, do I process my own scene?
No.
Okay.
Can you do it? Yeah. What's
right.
that? I mean, with the blue truck? This one?
No, the blue truck's been a DAV. The red truck lost control. I had a feeling that something was gonna happen.
You want to take some pictures? I'll get the information from this guy.
So she needs a push out, but I came with my car now, so now she's kind of stuck for us. So.
Can you get to it?
Yeah.
Mine's in my mailbox, guys.
I'll get his information.
All right, thanks. Yeah, I saw it coming, so. Dude, he lost. All these cars were spinning out behind me, and I saw it happening. So I'm like standing here, and I see him just losing it. So I jumped the wall in front of her car. What did you say? Merry Christmas. Oh yeah. Dude, look at this, man. I want my.
The officer proceeded to snap photographs of his now totaled cruiser. The driver of the truck that hit the cruiser was a 63-year-old man who was uninjured in the accident. He was given a ticket for failure to control his vehicle.